Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add custom stickers on your WeChat app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to the next window here like you say. Then you just click here on settings and it's going to take you to settings window here, and you just click here on shots. Then you come to shots window and you just click here on my stickers, and you click here on custom stickers, and you click here on this mark, and it's going to take you to your photos, and you choose photos you want to add to stickers on this window here. And can you here you can manage the stickers here, and you click here on down, and only can you delete it here. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you.